Good morning, student. Let's begin today's topic F block elements. Okay. Periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S, P, D. Their characters, their elements, their electronic configuration we already discussed in previous classes. Now we are going to discuss F block elements. What are the F block elements? First question is like this: definition. Definition is again same. How to define the F block element? The elements in which last valence electron enter into F orbital of the element of the atom is called the F block element. Now you can say like last electron added to the third or n-2f energy level. This is called the anti-penultimate cell. Anti-penultimate cell energy level is n-2f orbital. Penultimate means n-1 d orbital. ns outer cell. So first, second and third. So in f orbitals, in f block elements, the electrons enter into third energy level, anti-penultimate cell or n-2f orbital. These are called the f block elements. Clear? These placed at the bottom of the periodic table. Lanthanoid and actinoid F block elements are two types. They are two types. They are two series. We will consider here. First is lanthanoid series. First series. It is also called 4F series. These are also called the inner transition element. Okay. So first series, 4F series. Lanthanum is prototype. So these are called the lanthanoid series. Lanthanoid series also, and it contains cerium 58 to lutetium 71 element. So these are also called the rare earth elements. These are also called the rare earth elements. Clear? Now second series. There are second series is 5F series. There are second series is 5F series. Okay, and first prototype is actinide. So these are called the actinoid series. Actinoids. These are called actinoids and these are called lanthanoids. It starts from thorium 90 atomic number. Thorium to lawrencium 103. Thorium to lawrencium. Okay. These are the radioactive nature. Generally these elements are radioactive nature. Clear? The general electronic configuration of these elements are, write down the general electronic configuration: n-2 f orbital 1 to 14. The capacity of f orbital is 14 electrons. Now n-1 d some condition maybe 1 and NS2. Clear? These are also called the inner transition element. These are also called the inner transition element. Now, next is their general characters. General characters of F block elements. What are the general characters of these elements? General character of F block elements. What are the general characters? First is they are heavy metals. First character is they are heavy, very heavy. Okay, these are heavy metals. Now, second general character is they have generally high melting point and boiling point. High melting point and high boiling point. What are the third character? They show variable oxidation state like transition element. They show variable means changeable, variable oxidation state. Clear these points? Now, their compounds are generally colored. Fourth point is their compounds are generally colored. Why these are colored? Due to again unpaired electron. But unpaired electron present in f orbital and which represent the FF transition. FF transition means when elements are radiated, the electron become excited and jump from lower energy level to higher energy level, ground state to higher oxidation state, excited state. Now, colored due to unpaired F electrons due to FF transition. Visible light is those have visible light, visible 400 nm to 800 nm wavelength, which is visible. Okay, so these are colored. They have high tendency to form complexes. They form many types of complexes. So they have high tendency to form complexes because their oxidation state is variable. They can change their valency. So their complexes high tendency to form the complexes. Now last point, in actinoid, Neptunium to lawrencium in actinoid, this is special for actinoid points. Next point, 6 point is, what are 6 point? From Neptunium. From Neptunium, where is Neptunium? In actinoid series. In actinoid. From Neptunium to lawrencium. Neptunium to lawrencium are generally artificially prepared by the nuclear reaction. So, Neptunium to lawrencium have been prepared by nuclear reaction artificially. These are prepared artificially. Okay, not extracted from nature. Neptunium to lawrencium have been prepared artificially by nuclear reaction. So these elements are called the transuranium elements. This is very important point. What are the transuranium elements? Transuranium element. So after uranium, which are prepared artificially by nuclear reaction, is called the transuranium element. Now it's clear what are the characters of the F block element. Now in next class we consider the all elements which are present in F series and which are present in 4F series and 5F series. Now it's clear all of you. Thank you.